Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Nita and how are you friends? I hope you all guys are doing very well. So friends, in today's video I am going to take you through my daily routine. Okay, so which helped me to stay productive, organized and on the top of the tasks throughout the day. So but before going to the video, before going to the topic, I would like to say you some few things that if you are going to tell you your daily routine, I mean you are going to tell your repeatedly work, okay, your daily basic, your daily routine work, you can use simple present tense like I take, I drink, I eat, I sleep, okay, I have. So you can use only simple present tense. So here is, this is an example of simple present tense. And I would like to say you some second thing is that there is a many my friends who are describe their daily routine. They generally use after that, after that, after that. So please, you don't use repeatedly, continuously work after that, after that. You have a lot of option here such as often, generally, sometime, then, okay. So please don't use after that, after that, okay. So here I would to like say I would like to say you something. So let's get started my daily routine. Okay, I wake up early 5:30 to 6 a.m. in the morning, and when I wake up I just stay in the bed for some time. I rub my palm and place them on my face for a few minutes. It helps me blood circulation, okay. It helps waking senses and your skin glow due to the moisturizer, okay. Then I check my mobile if whether there is some message or calls. Then I go to the kitchen. I drink a glass of lukewarm water. Before going to the washroom, I wash my face, grab hold the brush and brush my teeth, okay, and just go to the washroom. The next 30 minutes, I freshen up, I take shower, I get dressed, okay. Then I worship. Worship means पूजा, भगवान की पूजा करती हूँ. After that, I go to the kitchen and I make some lunch and breakfast also, because I am a teacher. I am a teacher of in basic school and my husband is also an employee. So I have to make two tiffin. Okay, my school timing is 7:30 to 2 p.m. This is my summer time. Okay, winter time the timetable is change. Okay, so generally I go to the school with the help of my scooty, and sometimes I go to the school with car. It depends on weather. Okay, here after coming the school, I just wash my feet, change into a simple cloth, and I go to the kitchen to make a cup of tea, which relax me tired out, okay. And after after taking a tea, I just take a nap of sleep, okay. And 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. it is a time of my English speaking course, okay. I practice English speaking. I make a video and I upload. Everything is doing in one end. half hour, because this is our time of my English speaking course, because I am a teacher, so I have to manage my time. Okay. And 5:30 to 6 p.m. I do some simple exercise. 6 p.m. to 7, where I take 7 p.m. I take bath. I take bath and I worship the God. 7:30 to 8 p.m. I generally make dinner for me and my husband. 9 p.m. we both enjoy the dinner. Okay. And before going to the bed, I make sure that all my doors and windows I are properly locked, the switch and the gas is turned off. Okay. And when I go to the bed, I do some simple night routine on my skin. And I want sometime I watch sometime movie and serial in half an hour. Okay. And generally I sleep at 10 or 11 p.m. because I am a teacher, so I manage my time in anyhow. Okay. So this is my routine. I hope you got some inspiration of my daily routine, and this daily routine helps me to stay productive, organized throughout the day, because I both work. I am a teacher, I am a housewife, I am a teacher, so I have to do a lot of work in house and school. So, and I also starting start and my English practice. So I have a lot of work, but I have to manage my time, and I give some time for my English speaking practice. Okay. So I hope you got some inspiration from my daily routine and create your daily routine. If you have some problem to create your daily routine, so please write me in the comment box. I will help you to create your daily routine. So if you have someone, if you have anyone, so please tell your daily routine with whom. If you have no one, then you can tell your daily routine with yourself. So friends, I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and please subscribe my channel if you have not already subscribed it, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video. Okay. So friends, we will meet you, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.